So hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to put your Instagram on quiet mode. So this is a new feature that has been launched by Instagram few days back, and if you want to silent all the notification of your Instagram and don't want you to be disturbed by Instagram, so just follow me in this video till the end and you will be able to do that. So guys, first of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. So once you open the Instagram, so just tap on your profile here at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the menu option. Tap on this menu option. Now go to this setting and privacy option. Now tap on this notification option. Let me, yeah. Now tap on this notification option. Now you will find here one option, pause all. So somewhere it will be a quiet mode or somewhere it will be pause all. So both will do the same thing. So just tap on this toggle button and it will ask you how much time you want this feature for. So if you want quiet mode for 1 hour, you can tap on 1 hour. If you want for longer time, you can tap on 8 hours. So this is the maximum limit of quiet mode is 8 hours. So you can tap on 8 hours. So for 8 hours, you will not get any notification of Instagram and it will be put on quiet mode. So that's how you can do it. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.